The Japanese Coffee Company is happy to offer you the same delicious taste without the caffeine. We combine premium coffee beans with the proprietary German decaffeination method called liquid dicarboxylic acid caffeine extraction. Unlike other decaffeination methods, this approach retains all the desirable qualities of coffee while removing 98% of caffeine. The coffee beans are then roasted by trained roast masters using the sumiyaki method with binchoten charcoal. This luxurious roasting method makes the coffee beans even better by bringing out the best and enhancing their flavor. Since no other decaf coffee can match the flavor, many high-end restaurants offer this exact coffee with their evening dessert menu. Enjoy our delicious decaf coffee that delivers all the taste of regular coffee in the comfort of your own home. Japanese Coffee Company, roasted with love in Japan.